ভিডিও
We are both in city center.
and the most childhood friend.
After long time, we spend together in city center.
Yeah, after a hell lot of years, we are together and we're having some great fun.